Student, this is a question sub equation 3b. We read carefully, concentrately. Most important two things, focus on it. First is what is given and what to find it. Solve the quadratic equation by using formula method. Here we know this is what is given quadratic equation. How to find, what to find? We find formula method. We know the remind silently what is the formula. We know x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We compare first standard form of this coefficient. Standard form we take a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. हा स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म घेऊन आपण हे कोएफिशियंट कंपेअर करू. या ठिकाणी x square, what is the coefficient? No, any one. This is 1. We take a is equal to 1. b is the coefficient of x is minus 2. We take here minus 2. Then c constant term is minus 3. c is equal to minus 3. We put this value in the formula. Here x is equal to minus b plus minus roots b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We take this all values. X is equal to b is minus b in the formula, also minus as it is, and b value of b is minus 2. We take in the bracket minus 2 plus minus as it is roots of b square. What is b? Minus 2 square minus as it is 4 as it is 4 into a into c. This is the product of three numbers. What is value of a? A is 1. We take c minus 3. We take in the bracket. Also the 2a, 2 into a, value of a is 1. Since x is equal to minus into minus, this is plus. This is the rule of product. Plus 2 plus minus as it is 4 square. कोणत्याही ऋण संख्येचा वर्ग हा धन असतो, 2 चा वर्ग 4. इथं पहा 3 संख्येचा गुणाकार आहे, परंतु 2 संख्या मायनस आहेत म्हणून मायनस इंटू मायनस प्लस होतं. आणि 4 इंटू 1 4, 4 3 12 प्लस. इथं विद्यार्थ्यांनी साईन लक्षात घ्यावं, मायनस इंटू मायनस प्लस होतं मल्टिप्लिकेशन मध्ये. 2 इंटू 1 2 डिनॉमिनेटर इक्वल टू 2 as it is plus minus root 4 plus 12 16 root upon 2 as it is. X is equal to 2 plus minus what is the root of 16? Root of 16 is 4. 16 हा कोणाचा वर्ग आहे? 4 चा. त्याचं रूट 4 आहे upon 2. We take this 2 value plus and minus 2 plus 4 upon 2 or 2 minus 4 upon 2. X is equal to 2 plus 4 6 upon 2, or we calculate this 2 and the 2 2 3 is 6. Value of x is 3, or x is equal to 2 minus 4. या ठिकाणी विद्यार्थ्यांनी लक्ष ठेवावं, मोठ्या संख्येचे साइन मायनस 4 मधून 2 गेले 2 राहिले 2 upon 2 2 1 2 minus as it is 1. The value of x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 1. We get the answer. Very easy formula method. विद्यार्थ्यांना या ठिकाणी साइन मध्ये लक्ष द्यावं, साइन मध्ये चुका करू नये, उत्तर सहज मिळतं.